This is our most popular downspout kit. You have 15 feet of the virgin material, the Boffman tile, heavy, heavy, heavy single wall, solid, no regrind, no recycled material. This is all virgin material. This will take freeze thaw. It'll take all kinds of movement. It'll take traffic, cars, lawnmowers. Dynamite. It doesn't come apart. It doesn't split, and it's rated to last 200 to 500 years. So it's pretty amazing. So 15 feet of high octane. We have a clean out. You have your gutter adapter. We have the grate. There's a piece of tape over this. You just take it off when you get this and receive it, just so that doesn't fall out in shipping. We have dual wall 4-inch culvert pipe connecting the gutter adapter, the downspout adapter, to the clean out. Then we have dual wall culvert pipe 90, smooth on the inside, corrugated on the outside, welded by the craftsman at Boffman Tile Company. We have an external snap coupler. So you can go from the dual wall pipe to the single wall pipe. This little piece of pipe is for demonstration purposes only. You'd have that 15-foot piece of solid high octane in there. And the tape that comes with it, this is our 200-year, super sticky, super stretchy. You want to tape here, here, and here. You want to tape that up real well because you don't want no leaks at the foundation of the house. So this tape, it'll tighten it up. It'll be completely waterproof, leak-proof. And then anything that's left with this tape, once you snap this cone in, this is our turf restrictor plate with our pop-up. Once you snap the cone in, you can take whatever's left and just go ahead and secure this, fasten that really nice. So this is our most popular combo, downspout, underground, right here. For buried underground downspout systems, this is our #1 kit.